everyone. Good morning. How are you? This is your host and NCLEX tutor, Annalise Garrison. And I just got done tutoring someone on the pharmacology math. And you know what? I realized that I do not have any IV or IM or syringe administration. And you know what? I'm going to put on here too tablets, because this works with tablets too. Okay? Dosage calculations. So, it's real easy. Let me show you how this works. I'm a big fan of, as I've said before, those of you who are watching my math videos, keep apples with apples and oranges with oranges, and just work with the numbers you have on the page, okay? This way, we don't have to worry about this dimensional analysis that we learned in college, right? So let's do this. Let's keep apples with apples and oranges with oranges. What do I mean? Okay, let's read this. The nurse is preparing to administer Rocephin 2 grams for times 1 dose. The amount available is 1 gram to 3.6 milliliters. How many milliliters should the nurse administer? Do not round. Okay. Keep apples with apples. Whoops. Keep. Can't even spell keep right there, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So, very simple. Here we go. If 1 gram, keep the grams on one side, equals 3.6 ml, then 2 grams, because that's what's on the page, Rocephin 2 grams, right? So put it right underneath. Put the 2 grams right underneath. 2 grams equals X ml. And you can do your conversions for everything like this, right? So what do I mean? All we have to do now is cross multiply and divide by the X. Let me type that. Cross multiply and divide by the X. Always cross multiply and divide by the X, meaning 2 times 3.6 divided by, in this case, 1, because the number across from the X is 1. So we cross multiply and divide by the X. Divide by the X means you divide by the number that is across from the X. In this case, it's 1 gram. So divided by 1 equals, and that will come up to be 7.2 ml per the dose. Okay? That's your answer. 7.2 ml per dose. Now, let's look at another math question. Okay, let's do the second question here. I increased the font so you can see it better. Let's read the question. The nurse is preparing to administer Keppra, PO. The maximum dose is 1.5 grams per day to be given in 3 equally divided doses every 8 hours. The amount available is 500 mg tablets. How many tablets should the nurse administer? Okay, so step 1. Convert mg to g's. Convert mg's to grams. Convert milligrams to grams. So, Apples to apples, oranges to oranges. 2. We know that 1 gram equals 1,000 mg, right? So my question is, how many grams is a 500 milligram tablet? So keep apples with apples and oranges with oranges. So we're converting the milligrams to grams. So put the grams on the left, right, guys? Keep your grams on the left and your milligrams on the right. Keep apples with apples and oranges with oranges. So x gram equals x gram equals 500, because that's what we have on the board. 500 milligrams. All right. We're converting milligrams to grams. So cross multiplying, divide by the x, right? Cross multiplying, divide by the x. So cross multiply would set up like this. 1 times 500 divided by 1,000. Dividing by the x means whatever number is across from the x, remember? So 1 times 500 divided by 1,000. Doing the math, and that would be 0.5 gram. Oops, 0.5 gram tablets. So what we have on hand is 0.5 gram tablets. Now, we cannot give more than 1.5 grams per day. So the third conversion, this is what we gotta pay attention to. The third conversion is, set it up like this. Apples on the left, oranges on the right. We have on hand 0.5 grams equals 1 tablet. Not 1 table, 1 tablet. So, x. Well, wait a minute. We know that 0.5 grams is 1 tablet. We have that there. We are not supposed to give more than 1.5. So 1.5 grams equals x tablet. Right? Again, let me write this in green so you can see it. Cross, multiply, and divide by the x. Meaning, equals 1.5 times 1 divided by 0.5 equals, let us do the math, equals 3 tablets. Okay, now we have to be very careful here because I keep writing tables when I mean to write tablets. Okay, so we have to give, this is the point here I'm trying to make, we have to give 3 tablets for the day. Now remember, the question is in 3 divided doses, right? Every 8 hours in 3 divided doses. Now we're supposed to give 3 tablets for the day, so we have to take 3 and divide that by 3. 3 divided by 3 is the obvious answer, 1, but I just wanted to do the math. So you can work it this way with every single calculation you have. So 1 tablet per dose is the answer. All right, now let's go over that again. The nurse is preparing to administer Kepler PO. The maximum dose is 1.5 grams per day to be given in 3 equally divided doses Q8 hours. The amount available is 500 milligrams. So we had to convert milligrams to grams. How many tablets should the nurse administer with each dose? And here is your answer, 1. Okay? Take a look at that for a few minutes. Stop the recording. Look at it again. And here you have it. The first thing we had to do is convert mgs to grams. The second thing we had to do was set it up so that we can do the conversion. And we came up with 1 tablet. Sorry, we came up with a 0.5 gram tablet. And then we had to convert the gram into tablets to figure out how many tablets we had to give. We had to give 3 tablets for the entire day.
So there you have it,
so that's
beautiful souls.
1 tablet per dose.
That is how I'm going to call this per dosage calculations, I guess.
So that is how you do the per dosage calculations. All right? Now, please leave your comments below if you didn't understand anything. I am meeting someone at 1 o'clock. This is for you. You know who you are. And for the rest of you, if you need any help at all with NCLEX preparation, especially if you've taken it more than once, please look at the packages in the description and purchase your tutoring package today. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.